I move that we commit Bryce Erickson Hernandez to the Pasay City Jail, Mr. President.
I second the motion of the good
Any objection?
gentleman.
Chair is none. And the chairman of the Blue Ribbon concurs. Hearing no objection, the Bryce Hernandez is hereby
Mr. President,
the-
if I may, but just to put on record that it's with the understanding that the Senate retains its jurisdiction over that person, Mr. President. Just
Of
to put that
course.
on record, Mr. President.
Of
Thank you.
course, it has never been the opposite. He was always under our legal custody. So the motion is to transfer that particular person to the Pasay City Jail. Any objection? Chair is none. Motion is approved. The Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to transfer Bryce Hernandez to the Pasay City Jail as soon as possible.
Just a manifestation, if I may, Mr.
Senator
President.
Estrada,
Mr. President, I think we have
recognized.
to ask the OSA to be strict in implementing the rules with regard to the visitation hours of a prisoner, Mr. President. No visitors allowed. Only
Lawyers.
immediate members of the family, lawyers, priests, etc., etc. Thank you, Mr. President.
So, ito lang po ang ating news update ngayon mga ka-DO. And please comment down below kung ano ang masasabi nyo sa video na ito. And please, pakisupport naman ang ating Facebook page para magpatuloy pa tayo sa paggawa ng bagong news update. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.